Okay, so we're doing figure P5-8 in this video. So again, we're going to have to first draw the missing view, the right side view, and then we're going to draw the auxiliary view coming off this side. So we can already see that that angled edge has this kind of eye shape here. And when you're looking from the top, you can't see these lines, so that whole top is solid. So if we're looking from this side, we're going to see these solid bits at the top and bottom on this side, and then we'll see that eye shape here, which is going to come all the way up to the front. We can see that the edge of the eye lines up here. So if we're looking at it from this side, which is the same as this side, that's what we're going to see. So we'll start by putting in our box for the right side view. So that box is going to be this tall and this wide. So just pick, let's put it the same distance. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8 blocks away. 8 blocks away. So we'll start here, and it'll be this tall. I don't know what it's going to look like yet, so I'll just lightly draw that in. All the way up to here. Okay. Now, if we sketch this edge of the top out, and let's do all of these right now. So this is going to be for transferring these features onto that side view that we're making. Okay, so this first one we know is going to come down here, and that's our edge. So we can now draw our 45-degree miter line through here. Should just cut those squares, and now we can just transfer the rest of these lines over, but we can also, we know that this is 5 centimeters. That is this length here, so we can just transfer that. Or we can do it with the miter lines, but for now we can just draw this box that we know our right-hand side view is going to fit inside of. So again, if we had done it the other way, this, when it hits the miter line, comes down, that gives us the edge of our box. So if we transfer these other features down, we've got this line, and then what's that one? Let's just copy it all the way down. And then this line here, and this guy. Oops. And then the edge. Okay, so this edge here is this piece here. So how do we figure out what that's going to look like? That's going to have a top. Oh, right, we should transfer these lines over as well. So we got our top, and then this is there, this one here, and then the bottom. And those are the same. Okay, so if we're looking at it from the side, we're gonna see this bit is only on this top and bottom. So that's gonna be solid, and then that whole side, since this is a line all the way back, that's also a solid line on this side here. So that's gonna look like this. And then if we come in and we look across the top, it's all solid as well on the top. And we have this hidden line from the top, so this whole upper piece here looks like it might be solid. But then it starts curving backwards here. So this line is going to be solid, but only for this eye here. So it's going to be this part. Because remember, this eye is like angled back, going 90 degrees into the paper here. So if we're looking at it from this side, we're going to see that eye plus this extra little bit here. And since these hidden lines go all the way through, this piece goes all the way through. So if we're looking at it this way, it's also going to be solid. Okay, so what am I missing here? If we can see that up there, we're going to see it down here. And then it's going to come in where? So this side starts here and then comes in here. So remember, this is, we're looking at transferring this, so that is this side of the eye. So it's going to look like this. Bottom's going to come all the way through. Okay, so top and bottom, these pieces are going to look like an eye. So it's going to come in like this to where that other feature is. So the hidden line, which is this part, and then it goes to this part. So this to this is this to this. So that's going to be straight up and down over here, because that is this side, and then the other side is this line here. So it kind of comes in a little bit there. Okay. And then we finish up the eye, and you can already kind of tell that it's distorted in here, right? So neither of those views are showing us that eye feature as it actually is. Oh. What am I missing? We're missing hidden lines. So we would be able to see something behind here, this feature here. So basically we've got two pieces like this sitting on top of each other, separated by this guy. And so we're gonna see the edge of that guy over here. And then the inner edge, oh, and then this is that extra solid piece here. And the hidden lines have to go through here. Okay, so now we've got our missing view, and we just want to fill in our auxiliary view now. So this eye shape is actually kind of slanted. Either way you look at it, neither of these is the proper dimension the proper length or width, however you look at it. So we're going to draw the auxiliary view coming from the top view again, because that's where that feature is angled. Erase some of these lines. Okay. So now, again, I find it easiest just to go the width of my ruler, and then I can get a pretty good parallel line. And then you just have to connect the right way and get our perpendicular lines coming out from each of those features on this edge. That's not too bad. I'll do that again. So we might run into some trouble here. It looks like we're going to run into our other front as well. Just grab my legs here. Okay, so I'll just do this instead of redrawing it. Okay, so again, we've got our top, which is the horizontal, and this is a first primary auxiliary view. Okay, so again, we're gonna set that distance D to 0 to save as much space as we can. And I mean, I could have put this fold line even a little bit closer, and then maybe I wouldn't have run into my other drawing, or I could have moved the top view up, which is probably what I should do at this point, but I'm not gonna. So we have our eye shape. So we know the top is just going to be a solid line, and then the bottom is as well. So again, these are the proper heights, just this is the proper width or length. So we can just transfer these distances. So it's 5.1, 5.1, and so that's where the bottom should be, and it goes all the way across as well. And then again, these are the proper heights, so we can transfer these. So 1.3, 1.3, and again, you could use Trammel for this as well. Copy these distances onto a piece of scrap paper and then copy them onto here. But again, I have a ruler, so why not measure it? So this is going to be the edges of our eyes. So that's going to come down like this, and then over here, and then we'll have to do it for the bottom portion as well. So the bottom is also going to be 1.3-ish. Okay, so then we can finish our outline of our auxiliary view. Just need to connect the inside. And there we have it, our true size auxiliary view of figure P5-8. There you go. So you would definitely lose points. Or sorry, I'd definitely lose points for that. But other than that, it looks pretty good.